Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies, Daniel Tiger and his family, and our puppy are going for a hike. But first we have to drive to get there. The Teletubbies are taking the big Fisher-Price musical van today. There's a seat for each one of them, and there's also a seat belt. It's important to buckle up. The seats are bright pink. And let's listen to the music the Teletubbies have today. Let's see what the toys did to prepare for our hike today. It's important to stay hydrated when you're going on a hike. Daniel Tiger filled this insulated water bottle full of water. We'll take it with us. When Puppy sees the water bottle, he knows it's time for a hike. You ready for a hike, Puppy? He gets very excited. He loves exercise. It's very important for animals to get exercise too. It makes them less anxious. It's a sunny day, so Daniel Tiger puts sunscreen on. And look at the Teletubbies. They're making sure they wear the proper footwear. When you're going hiking, you need shoes with good support and good grips. We don't want to fall and slip onto the sharp rocks on the trail. Hey, look who wants to come. Sorry, kitty. Hikes aren't for kitty cats, but we'll see you when we get home. Okay, Daniel, what music do you have in your car today? Everyone is buckled up and ready to go. The Teletubbies are going to drive first, and Daniel Tiger and his family will follow them. We'll see you at the trail. We're at the beginning of the trail. See the sharp rocks? You always need to watch where you're going so you don't trip. Hiking provides us with plenty of exercise, which makes us feel good. Plus, we get to see things in nature. Look at this beautiful wild pink rose. I can't believe it. We've spotted a ladybug in its pupa stage. It's about to become an adult ladybug. So we're just going to leave it alone and not touch it. This is what a ladybug looks like when it's a baby, in its larvae stage. Shh! If you're quiet and you look carefully, you'll see a little chipmunk popping out behind that rock. They're so cute. Bzzz! There's a giant bumblebee. Boy, you sure spot a lot of wildlife on a hike. Well, it's time to head down the mountain. Let's go back home, Puppy, and see what Kitty's doing. Silly kitty. She fell asleep in one of my bags. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our Disney princesses are going on a trip together on the musical Fisher-Price SUV. And we have Rapunzel, Princess Jasmine, Elsa, Ariel, and Belle. Today they are going to a glass shop where they will make beautiful glass balls. Ariel is going to be the driver. But how do they decide who will sit in the front seat with Ariel? Belle, maybe you'd like to sit in the front since you tend to get car sick if you sit in the back. Thanks, Rapunzel. That is so nice of you to think of me. I do get car sick and it would be nice for me to sit in the front. Belle hops in, puts on her seatbelts. and the rest of the princesses sit in the middle seat. Elsa sits between Rapunzel and Jasmine. Everyone puts on their seatbelt. It's time to play the music, but not too loud. Loud music can damage our hearing. They arrive at the artisan shop. Uh-oh, Belle has accidentally left the door open to the car. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go inside. Ooh, look at all of the pretty colored balls. Each princess gets to choose 2 colors plus a design for their glass blowing ball. There's red, orange, flame opal, big yellow, green, aqua, dark blue, light blue, purple, rose, small amber, black, white, party mix, and glacial mix. First, we get the glass very, very hot. So hot you don't want to touch it. You put your hot glass in the colored pellets. Then you blow hard and put air into the middle of the glass, and it creates a globe shape. And finally, we put a little loop on the top so that we can hang our glass ball for decoration in the window. The hot glass almost looks like soft honey, and it can be made into almost any shape. Belle has chosen to make her glass ball with blue and green stripes. Rapunzel chose light blue and rose, and she went with a design called drapery. Ariel chose the twist design like Belle, but she chose green and amber. And Elsa went with an icy design of white and blue with speckles of real gold. And Jasmine chose the party mix mosaic. She made a small ball. What colors and design would you choose? And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to open our Little People SUV. And it has eyes in the front. It's gray in color with a pink trim. On the back it says Mom. She makes music, phrases, and sounds happen. Just press on her in the driver's seat. There are so many places to visit. Beep, beep. Trunk. Open the door and load up. She can drive through the town in the Little People collection. We already have the bus. And we also have the camper van like in our other videos. Let's take Mom out of the package. She has a pink top with blue pants and little blue sandals. She also carries a purse, must have her money in it. She has long brown hair and a pink beret on the top. Time to get the car out of the box. I'll turn these little plastic pieces. And look at the heart on the bottom. This must be where the noise comes out of the car. The doors don't open, but you can open the trunk door in the back. And there's room for somebody to sit. There's 2 seats in the car, one in the front for Mom. There's another heart on the steering wheel, and it's blue in color. Time to put Mom in the car and see what she says.
There are so many places to visit. Let's go.
Hey, look, it's Nunu. He wants to hop in for a ride. He'll probably fit in the trunk. Go on in, Nunu. I think Nunu is just too big. I'm sorry, you won't fit. We'll have to get the soft Nunu. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
There are so many places to visit. Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It snowed last night and I noticed some paw prints in our yard. Do you know what they could be? I think it was a bunny that hopped through the yard. Since it's skied, the Chipmunks and I are going to go up skiing today. We need to pack all of our equipment into the car. Skis, ski poles, and a sled. We notice as we drive higher up the mountain, there's more snow on the trees. The sky is clear blue and the sun is out, so we made sure we have sunscreen on our faces today. We purchased our lift ticket and hopped onto the chairlift. We're ready to get skiing. I'm wearing my helmet and my goggles. My goggles protect my eyes from the UV bouncing off the snow. Theodore and I get hungry on the way up to the lift, so we eat a sesame snap. We have the safety bar down and I'm hanging on tightly to my poles so they don't fall down. Theodore loves to count the chairs as they pass us on the way up. And Simon's now going for a ski. He knows how important it is to follow safety rules. You need to read all signs and ski in bounds so you don't get lost or hurt. And we keep our distance from trees and tree wells. Look at this tree. It's covered in old man's beard. Can you see it? Keep an eye out for markers that look like this so that you don't fall into a hole like this. Yikes. I wouldn't want to slip into there. And always read signs. Ski area boundary not patrolled. Use the safety bar when going up the lift. We're on our last run. We're about to get off the top of the lift. We'll see you at the car. On the way down, we look for the beautiful icicles on the rocks. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.